What is going on, guys? Today I will be showing you how to make a quick and easy website in just a couple minutes using Gemini 3. What used to take like days, weeks or even months to make a good website, to make it work properly, it now just takes a couple minutes. It's really insane. I'm gonna take you step by step how to get there. Let's get started. So just to give you a very quick example, I'm gonna show you two websites where I've used this. So this is an invoice converter. I'm gonna take here an invoice and I'm gonna send it. It takes a while and then it will literally send the invoice. I can download it right here. Some CSV, like an Excel sheet on what I've just sent here. And I can just download it, which is very cool. And then my own website, which I used and made in just a couple minutes. It's really easy and wonderful. It is in Dutch, but it's basically my own administration AI agent company, and people can also put their information right here and they can request a demo or work together with me one-on-one. So yeah, this is also something I made with just Gemini 3. So I don't want to overcomplicate things or make this video much longer than necessary. Let's get started right ahead. So I'm gonna ask Gemini right now, make me a website. Let's say we want to start a business where we will sell eggs from people door to door. We ring people's doorbell and say, hey, what's up? My name is this and this, and I'm gonna sell eggs to people. Very nice idea, right? So let's get started. Make me a website where I will have a subscription and deliver eggs to people by their doorstep. Make it a fun website and show different type of eggs. Let's see what it makes with that. And important right here is what you want to do is a canvas, because it's going to make something within the canvas. And what we're actually going to use to publicize the website, it's called something, it's called Netlify. And Netlify will basically take the code, which we will use Gemini, and then put it online for everyone to see. So let's do this and see what we will get. So guys, it just got done coding and it looks absolutely beautiful. Look at this. This would usually take weeks or months from a custom web designer to make. And now it just looks amazing how it cracks. Pick your does and set schedule, open door. It all thought of it of itself. The collection, and even made a testimonial from a subscriber. And even when you click here, start my subscription, you can add it to your basket. And yeah, it's just amazing. What is not the best is actually here on the right side. You see here, it's a bit cropped off, as you might see. So I'm just gonna select this and I'm gonna say, this does not look that great. It's a bit cropped off. Make it nice and visually appealing. Yeah, it looks already way better. So as you can see here, yeah, it looks really great, I think. And of course you can always adjust it however you like. You can put your own contact details here. You can give your own links, your own recipes or something, or stories, or just other stuff. Like, you can always adjust it to your own liking. So what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna go to the Gemini and I'm gonna say, hey, I want this to be in a HTML file so I can upload it into Netlify. So right now it's going to give me an HTML file, and with that file I can copy and paste it inside Netlify, and then it will be already launched. So great. So what we want to do right now, it's a little bit tricky, so just follow me step by step. What I want you to do is go to your code and select it all. So you can do Ctrl A, Ctrl C. For Apple, I think it's Command A, Command C. And then what you can do is go to a folder. You're gonna make a new folder. I'm gonna go in here and then make a new text file. And you're gonna call it index.txt. And then you're gonna copy and paste like so the code in here, and then you can Ctrl S, save it. It's done. And now you're gonna rename this. You're gonna remove txt and you're gonna put HTML. So what it's basically doing, it's saying like, oh, instead of a text file, I want a file that includes a lot of like the visuals of the website. So we have the visuals right now. I'm gonna go to Netlify and I'm gonna click here on the top right for add new project and then deploy manually. And it says here drag and drop your project folder here. So I'm gonna go one back and click and drag the folder and drop it. It's as easy as that. Right now it's loading. It's going to give you a domain, very random domain. You can also go to setup and then get your own project named, but it's always going to be .netlify.app. If you want to change this, you can do a custom domain right here, but that will cost some money, so we're gonna do this for now like this. So I'm just gonna click here, and as you can see right now we have our own website up and running. So everyone you share this link with right here, every single person will be able to see the website. So technically you're already up and running. So yeah, that's just it. It's very cool. What you also can do is, which I very like, so let's say someone clicks here on the top right, get cracking, you want something to happen, right? So what you can do is go to NNN and you can say a webhook, and you're gonna post some information and you're gonna say like, if someone presses this, then something happens. So it will take them to put in a form where you can contact them or something like that. So let's just for simplicity's sake do that right now. So when someone actually clicks on get cracking, then we get a form, and inside the form we're gonna say what is your name, placeholder John, for example, is going to be required, and address is also quite important, 123 Street, and it's also required. So what we're going to do here, we're going to do a test URL. If you are actually going into production, you're going to use the production URL, but for now we're going to use this. And we're going to go back to Gemini and say, hey, when somebody presses get cracking, the button get cracking, activate this webhook. So right now that's going to change, so let's wait for that. Okay, perfect. Now the HTML has been updated. So what you're going to do is you're going to again change this into a text. So like so. Then you're gonna copy and paste it. Alright, you're just gonna copy and paste the new code in there. And you're gonna change it back to an HTML. And then you're gonna click and drag this folder inside right here again, just as we did before. I already did it, so I'm not gonna do it again. And then what we're gonna do is gonna look at the website. We're gonna actually execute the workflow. So right now it's listening the webhook. So just for simplicity's sake, just to test it, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna listen when someone clicks here, and then they will get a message saying you got a lead. So I'm gonna click here. I get it right now. I got a notification, get cracking initiated, and as you can see, I just got sent a message to my email address, and right there I will get an email. I hope that will be a nice video for you to get your own website up and running. It's really a nice way to actually make a website, and I hope you see you in the next one. Bye bye.